Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and make some French fries using the Rapid Prep Mandoline. So we'll put our potato in. There we go, fries. Alright, so now that we've got them chopped up, we're just gonna add the rest of them to some water and we'll let these soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now that our fries have soaked, we took them out and we've dried them. Now we're going to add them to the bowl so that we can season them. So now we'll add some oil. You could just put some oil in there, but I like to use this thing because it's fun. Seasoning.
What is that?
Seasoning salt. So this is Pampered Chef seasoning salt. We're going to do a couple of different flavors. We're going to do that, and then we're going to do some Pampered Chef salt and vinegar. Alright, now that they're seasoned, we'll just add them to our tray. So now we're going to get these and put them in the oven at 425 degrees in a convection oven. So basically air frying them. Alright, stick these in the oven. Alright, they're done. Brown and crispy. Well, it's good. I like that seasoning.